I'm Joe, and welcome back to Power Packs, our educational video series. In today's episode, we'll be talking about fingerprinting. Fingerprinting is a test conducted on a printing press during the initial press commissioning. Fingerprinting helps to establish press characteristics related to color replication on the press. Each press is unique, just like a person's fingerprint. The results established during the fingerprinting process allow the plate-making equipment to repeatedly replicate the dot sizes desired by the graphic artist. Being able to replicate the required dot sizes allows you to create the desired colors for the print job. Fingerprinting results are affected by the entire print system, which includes not only the press, but inks, plates, and substrates. So as a result, it is always best to fingerprint the entire system together. Fingerprinting may need to be conducted when there is a change to substrates, analoxes, sticky back, ink, lamination, or any variable changes. It's important to remember that fingerprinting can take hours to be conducted, so make sure to properly fit it into your busy schedules. Thank you for joining me today, and please stay tuned for future educational videos.
We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.